Hey, this will be a video chart on EQLB, EQ Labs Incorporated. Before I get started, I do want to note I own some shares in this, so keep that in mind as I go. Along with that, I did get quite a few requests on it, and rightfully so. Looking at the chart here, huge volume, but better yet, you look at the price reaction in combination with the volume, and that's exactly what we want to see. I know I say this a lot, so if you watch my videos, you've probably heard me say it, but there's nothing worse within the world of stocks when you see huge volume like this and then see the price either go sideways or worse yet down. That was not the case here. Not only did the price go up, it was breaking through a bunch of resistance levels and all that good stuff. So overall, it was a good day. So the main perspective I'm going to go over is kind of from, is this necessarily a reversal or bounce and so forth? Because a lot of people are saying, oh, check out the reversal. And I don't mean to nitpick, but you can't really consider this a reversal. If anything, it's a bounce. There's lots of times where there's dead cat bounces. Now, am I saying this is going to be a dead cat bounce? I'm not saying that at all. But there's a process that needs to happen. And what stocks need to do is consolidate, which it's done, bounce, which it's in the current, which it's currently doing, and then it reverses, and then it breaks out. So consolidate, bounce, reverse, break out. Right now, we're just bouncing. You gotta give it more than just one day to be able to call this a reversal. Now, could this turn into a reversal? Absolutely, especially if supports and stuff can hold. But that's kind of going to be what I go over is how can we tell if this is a bounce or just a reversal? So the key thing to keep our eyes on is going to be this purple line here. This is the 50-day simple moving average, and this was a key area of resistance that we broke through today. Now, ideally, if this is going to be, or if you can consider this a reversal, this line will hold. Does it absolutely have to? No, it doesn't. But the most convicting chart would be if the price pulls back, holds here, and then pulls up and breaks through this high again. If that would happen, then that would really start to, I think, you could discuss reversal. Right now, any discussions of a reversal are a little too premature. Bounce, yes, for sure, but not reversal. The absolute level that needs to hold, kind of no questions asked in my opinion, is going to be this level down here, and that's simply because that was also an area where in the past, actually 4 days, you can see twice here, once here, and then once here again. It was a key area of support. When it was broken, it became resistance. And being that we closed so far ahead of it today, we closed up at 0.008, or excuse me, 0.019, and this level's all the way down here at 0.011. That would be a very long fall. So just to recap, ideally we would like to see this level hold as support. If it doesn't, then this one's going to need to hold and support the price if this is going to be a reversal. If not, this will just be considered a nice little dead cat bounce where hopefully traders made some money, and then it's it'll drop back down. Because in my opinion, if this level here can't hold, we'll probably come down and retest these lows down here. Now on the other side of the coin, what sorts of future resistances do we have to go to battle with? The key one, and the only one I'm going to point out right now, just because I don't want to get too far ahead of ourselves, because my main concern is what kind of consolidation will we have, is this 0.025 level up here. Now once again, looking back through the history of the chart, you can see that there's quite a bit of price history that's right around this area. So that's what's going to make it our resistance level for now. If this level can fall, then things really start to thin out. But like I said, one step at a time, and we'll see first if the price continues. Hopefully volume will continue to pour in. Does it need to stay this high? No, but I'd like to see it stay above 5 million shares and push onwards. If it does drop down here, then that's where I want to see volume be as low as possible. If we have a red candle tomorrow and it's only on 1 million shares, that would be a great day, because that would just show some simple profit taking and a higher base being built. So with any sort of sideways or downwards action, the lower the volume, the better. Now if it keeps chugging onwards and upwards, then the higher the volume, the better. So that's a important distinction you need to make. We don't want to see high volume on any sort of pullbacks or sideways days, because that's showing more of distribution than any sort of accumulation. So keep that in mind. Let's watch volume, and we'll see how the rest of this week turns out. But overall, a great day, good way to start the week with a nice bounce like this, and hopefully it'll continue. But for the players that want to see if this is going to be a reversal, keep your eye on these two levels. If there are any other questions on the chart, please let me know. If not, I'd encourage you to check out bullwarriorstocks.com. If you go there and sign up for the free newsletter, you will be sent a free ebook. And with your newsletter subscription, you'll get chart setups, trade ideas, educational pieces, all sorts of things from penny stocks up to big boards. So there's a good variety, something for everybody, and it's all free, so it's worth at least signing up and checking out. We've been making some good money together, so I'd encourage you to head to the website and see what it's all about. One last time, this is EQLB. Thanks for listening.